Today we are going to cook grilled chicken with vegetable medley. First marinate the chicken with garlic, pepper, thyme, salt and olive oil. In the meantime, parboil the potatoes. Add crushed pepper, garlic, oil, put it in baking tin and leave in oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. It is advisable to use baby potatoes right now, and you have new potatoes in the market which will give you a very nice flavor. So check your potatoes if it's done or not. Okay. Now take a wire mesh, place the chicken breast on it, turn it to have a nice charred color, put it in pan, see if it is cooked. Now toss the vegetables in little butter, arrange it in a plate, top it with the chicken breast on it, roll over some roasted potatoes and sprinkle some leafy vegetables available in the market. Enjoy.